People, welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Serpi. Now, today I'm going to play a video, and the video is going to speak for itself, but nevertheless, I'm going to drop some commentary. Now, just be advised, the video might be very troubling for certain people, but just push through it because I really want to get certain things off from my chest. So, take in this video, and I'll get back to you.
Bob, move.
I'm going.
Now, fight again, man. Me tell you not yet. Bomba clat. Todo va a bailar roll. Good job.
Yes, yeah, let them make man all jump. Yeah, come in, man. Let me go. You, stop here, you. You feel like we're you feel like we're laughing you. But I want to deal with you. You tell you. Go for your thing, man.
No, stop it, man.
Yeah, I'm going to say to me, no, say to me. What you doing? I'm going to fling one lick before.
Hello, young man.
But talk to God.
No, not deal with this, sir. Young man, don't do that. No, young man. Hello. Don't deal with this, sir, young man.
Which our best movie coward.
So where do I start? Do I start with the big bad bull, or do I start with the Sprat them in the background? Because I'm gonna be honest, the man them in the background, brother war video, and it sound like a bunch of Sprat. I'm just calling it what it is, right? For a number of reasons. No, I'm not saying you should throw on a Superman cape and go out there, go risk life and limb for help the girl, because I don't know who the youth is. Hey, maybe he's some 87, I don't know, right? But when I listened to that video, when I watched that video, I didn't see a group of people or a group of men who were terrified of some 87s. I saw a group of men laughing and giggling like a bunch of teenage sprats, right? Now, them claims say them can't stop it and them can't do this and them can't do that, and even the woman, the big, you know what's incredible? You know, it took an old woman of the kind of courage to stand up to this youth. That is where Jamaica isn't, because it took let me not even say old woman, a big woman, right? A big woman. She looked like she could have been my mother, and definitely you, the mother in the video. She was the one who had the courage. She was the one who had the dignity to stand up and say, no, that can't work. See, the youth them in the background, even though them might try to use gimmicks and they might try to use some little psychs, like say they might try to stop it, they are being entertained. I wonder if now listen to me. See, this is why you can't listen to people's words, you listen to people's action. Because even though them claim, yeah, mommy, I try to stop it, no, you weren't. You were being entertained. That was a movie for you. That was a comedy sketch for you, right? One big comedy, free comedy sketch whenever I go carry for, right? It took a big woman to put herself out there, because since this youth is some, see, let's say as somebody where people afraid of. Well, the big woman clearly never afraid of him. So the big woman who can't manage him if he was to come to face, right? I'm sure she can't manage him. If she could have stand up and say something, which excuse do you them have? See, the man them in the background, they annoyed me even before we get to the part of the youth. Because when I get to the bad bullet, you know, when I get to him, you know, we are talking about this video light, video everything and everything funny culture. Did that sound like a group of young men who couldn't believe what they must see? Did that sound like a group of young men who were not used to seeing something like that? Clearly, it has become so normal to them, where it was just fun and games. It was just entertainment. None of them were shocked, right? Because them probably do the same thing, or that they must see from the day they born until now, right? I find it incredible. As I said, when I see the woman, it's like, listen, no, that can't go on. And the man them did it, right? I skin off them dirty teeth, right? And I laugh and I giggle like a bunch of sprats. Like it sounds like something that I expect to hear from a group of teenage girls. This is Jamaica's men, you know. These are the men Jamaica is producing now, you know. And as I said, I'm not expecting nobody to throw on a Rambo suit and go take on a man and fight to the death to save no woman. I'm not saying that, right? And I know somebody will come along and come tell me the reason why I do what I do. Because when people, we get to the bad bull, you know. Don't worry on yourself, you know. We'll get to him, you know. Right? But I'm sure somebody will come tell me what she do for making my go on so, right? But I just want to pay attention to the youth in the background. See, that in itself is a separate story, even from the big bad bull, right? Beat up the woman. So now I could go to the bad bull because it must be a bad bull in his mind. See, what I saw was a coward. What I saw is a weak, insecure man. See, any man we see behave like that, people, trust me, mentally, they're weak and insecure. See, this is not a case of, if you notice, you know, first of all, when you get to the stage where him start to thump up the woman, right, what you're seeing right there is not a case of two people who, you have some relationships where the couple them, we would throw a thump and them would fight and roll, and I don't see in that video what I saw. That woman looked terrified to me because it's anyhow she was the bad bull herself. What people are trying to claim, when him throw the first couple thump, she'd have throw back some. I didn't see a fair fight. I didn't see somebody who looked like say a regular. Them got 10 rounds and then can fight back, right? That was not a matter of fact. That wasn't even a fight. That was a beating. Do not get them confused. That wasn't a fight. That was a beating. See, a fight is when one a throw and one throw back and one throw and one throw back. That was a beating. The man a thump the woman like she's a piece of board or something. Listen. See, I know enough man catch them kicks from treating people like this. Not just women, about people like this. I guarantee you, if a man did walk over to him and give him a easers, he would have stop talk. I said I guarantee you, if a man did walk over to him and give him a easers, he would have stop talk. Men like this are very, very rarely able to stand up to a next man. Men like this is what people talk about woman strength, right? This is how them catch them kicks. This is how them boost them ego. This is how them feel like a real macho man. And then, especially when you couple it with the fact that them have a group of waste man, I encourage and I laugh and I giggy about them, right? That give them even more strength. See, in certain places, in certain communities, you do something like this, you would automatically lose respect, right? You would lose respect from your friends. Even your brethren, brother, say, yo, what that, brother? How that for going? You lose respect in the community, but not this guy. See, guarantee you all 2-3 months after, they're gonna laugh and joke about this. Because it's funny to them. It's funny to them. Listen, I'm not gonna lie, the video was disturbing. The video was disturbing, especially when they get to the part and start thump up the woman. You could literally hear the thump them. You could literally hear the thump them. Right? And of course, this what you see in the video is not unique to Jamaica. I need Simon the Simpleton to come tell me that. It's not unique to Jamaica, right? It's not unique to our culture. But the reaction from the people around it is something that is all do common in Jamaica. I don't know how man can find time for laughing or something like this. The gigi like some schoolgirl, that is the part now where culture come in. That is the part now when they can do something like this outdoors in a broad daylight and everybody has you and it's big fun and games. That is when culture come in. The actual beating part, and that's nothing new that happen all over the world. Yes, me know Simple Simon, me know that. But the gigi part, I'm gonna be honest with the people. That part they probably pissed me off more than even the beating itself. Because we know say this is not we know say you have money to do them things. We know that, right? But you would like to think that money to them things that have to do it behind the closed doors. Evidently not. Evidently a man can do this in a broad daylight in front of a whole community, and grown men, so-called men, stand up there, a gigi, and he take a woman, he take a big woman, to have the kind of courage and the mental fortitude to say, listen, I have to say something. Even if me can't stop him, me have to say something. And the big waist man in the background, a skin out them teeth, like some keyless girl. This is what we're producing in Jamaica. This is what we're producing. These are our young men. These are our so-called future leaders, because they sound young. I don't know. I mean, I know that the video, the only good thing that come out of this is that in the process of trying to get some entertainment, the idiot them end up seeing this youth, because now this video go around and I'm sure police are going to see it and I'm sure him get called in. Surely. So in the process of them little idleness and them entertainment, so them can sit down and watch it and share it to each other, them inadvertently might deliver some justice. But I don't know, I found this video disgusting and disturbing, right? I don't know, right? I couldn't even bring in Simple Simon in this video. There were a couple moments where the setup was perfect for Simon, but I couldn't bring him in. I don't know, people. I don't know. I really don't know which part annoy me more. Either the sprat them in the background or the youth I deal with the girl. I don't know. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Please like, comment, and share the video. Bless.